In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to add a code snippet to your PowerPoint presentation using a clean screenshot method. First, open PowerPoint. After launching PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation you wish to edit. Opening the presentation will enable you to see the slide layout and where you might want to insert your code snippet for best visual impact and clarity. The next step involves accessing the source code that you intend to include in your presentation. It is important that you have your code ready. This step is crucial whether you are presenting a short segment or a longer piece of code, since clarity is key when sharing technical information. Once you have located your source code, the subsequent task is to open your snipping tool. This built-in utility is designed to help you capture screenshots of specific areas on your screen easily. Make sure the code is fully visible and formatted neatly on your screen before capturing it. With your source code displayed and your snipping tool ready, you now need to capture the code snippet by copying it. Use the keyboard command Ctrl and the letter C together. This simple action ensures that the precise area you have chosen is stored in your computer's clipboard, making it available to paste into your presentation without altering the original design of your code. Now that the code snippet is successfully copied, return to your PowerPoint presentation. This transition back to your presentation is important as it ensures that you can place the snippet directly where you want it to appear on your slide. Finally, with the presentation active and the clipboard holding your copied code snippet, you should insert the image into your slide by using the paste function. Once pasted, you may click on the snippet to adjust its position or resize it as necessary to ensure that it fits well with the rest of your slide content. And that's it! You've successfully added a clean and professional-looking code snippet to your PowerPoint slide. Now you're ready to present your technical content clearly and confidently.